Hello everyone, this is AI here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this arrow pattern in Affinity Vector Studio, formerly known as Affinity Designer. This pattern is made of black and white arrows that are nested into each other. As I explained in my previous tutorials, in order to create a pattern for a pattern fill, we first need to identify the tile that repeats itself throughout the pattern. In this particular pattern, identify the following tile that I highlighted with the red rectangle. The key to identifying a tile in a pattern is that it must start at the top, where it ends at the bottom, and it must start on the left, where it ends on the right. So this is what we're going to seek to create. And this is what the tile will look like after we have created and exported it. Alright, so to get started, we go to File New and we create a new composition. And we are going to start drawing the tile. So we take the arrow tool. Here we set one end to none and the other one to arrow. We set the fill to black and the stroke to none. And we go ahead and we draw an arrow like this. And then we're going to adjust its settings. So here inner offset, we'll leave it at 0. Because here we need to have a sharp angle so that both arrows can be nested into each other. Here length, it doesn't matter, you can leave it as you want it. And here thickness, this is important. We need to set it to 50%. So now the length from here to here is half the length from here to here. So this is important so that we can have the arrows nested into each other. And then lastly, we can adjust the length to have it as we want it. So now we have our first arrow. Then we press on Ctrl J to duplicate it. And we move the duplicated arrow downwards until it snaps to the first arrow. So now we have everything that we need to create the tile. So the tile is going to be located from this point here to this point here. And we are going to delineate it with the rectangle tool. So we take the rectangle tool and we set the fill and the stroke to none. And we draw a rectangle from here to here. And then we're going to export its content to use it to do a pattern fill. So we go to File, Export. We set the file type to PNG. And here as area, we set it to selection area to export only what's within the rectangle. And we click on Export. Alright, so now we have exported the tile and we are going to use it to do a pattern fill. So we go to File, New, and we create a new composition. And then we take the rectangle tool. We set the fill and the stroke to none. And we draw a rectangle all over the composition. And then to do a pattern fill, we take the vector float fill tool. We go here to set bitmap fill. We select the tile that we just created. We click on the composition and this creates a pattern fill. And then we can adjust the handles to make the pattern bigger or smaller. And also we can adjust its orientation. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You'll learn how to create an arrow pattern in Affinity Vector Studio. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.